Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to play Bits and Seeds game. This game is also known as Pallanguzhi in Tamil, Vamana Guntalu in Telugu, Guli in Kannada and Kuzhipara in Malayalam. I used cardboard and apple trays because in the corona times I could not buy a game board. That's why I made this best out of waste. I also used seashells to play this game. Here I am using seashells, but in olden times they used to play with tamarind seeds or shikakai seeds. A fun fact for you guys, this game was invented by Cholas. There are 14 pits in this game, 7 pits each side. I am placing 6 shells in each pit. Let's start the game. I am playing with my grandparents. I am picking shells from any one of my pits from my side and drop one seed in each subsequent pits in a counterclockwise direction. My shells are over, so I have to take them from the next pit and drop them again like this. I have got an empty pit, so I have to do like this and take the shells from the next pit. Now it's my grandpa's turn. He's also dropping the shells in the same way. There are 4 shells. It's called a cow. I have got 2 cows. My grandpa has got another cow. Like this we have to take till the end. I have got another cow. My grandpa has got 2 cows. house. He got one more. He got one more. He got total 4 cows. On my grandpa's side, there are no shells, so he cannot play. Now, the first round is over. For the second round, we have to place 6 shells in each pit again. The pit that gets less than 6 shells need 1 shell to be on the top to represent it as a pile. The players should not take shells out of the pile. I can only take its shells when all other pits are empty. All my pits are empty. That's why I'm using the pile and dropping it again. In this round, since my grandfather could only fill up to 5th pit, I also filled till 5th pit. The 4 remaining pits will not be used. I have won the game. It's sunny now. But according to old saying, after we play this game, it would rain. To our surprise, it rained in the evening. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.